Yeah,
We do.
So Charlie's Chuckles.
Charlie's Chuckles.
Charlie,
I'm Mr. Tickles. And Berry's Berry.
Een DM is krachtje a huadú díobh.
Bhís ní bhain DMs neonach ó Innis, mac i bhán.
Yeah, we probably had to report it. It was that bad.
Sin mar a land agus a chálan.
Sin mar a land agus a chálan.
Her tidelines message for Sean Carriach, like she thought she was messaging somebody else. Like my voice note, she was like, "You'll never believe who I have just seen. The boy, the singer, Tidelines, the band member from Tidelines. You'll never believe."
We still don't know who it was. Just left a bound Japanese Pokemon card on the stage for us.
Are you Pokemon fans?
Huge.
Okay.
More Portaloo fans.
Oh yes, that's what we like to hear.
Oh, I don't know if it was a DM, but which one of you's Ben and which one of you's Lee? Or who's Ben and who's Lee? That's something of those lines.
Oh, somebody named a cat after Ewan.